I just cleaned my bird bath and I have to show it to you again because I'm so impressed with it. Not only because it's copper and it's absolutely beautiful, but because copper is a natural germ killer. I had no idea what a big of a difference it was going to make having a copper bird bath, but it really truly does. We have a well with very, very hard water, and it usually leaves a limestone coating in our bird baths. This bird bath, it just wipes out when I normally have to scrub them with vinegar, and there has been no algae. This is by far my favorite bird bath I've ever had, and that's saying a lot because I've had a lot, but it stays put in the ground easily. It's beautiful and it stays clean.